I'll guide you through how to run Facebook ads. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Meta Business Suite. After logging in, on the left menu, click Ads. You'll be directed to the Ads page. At the top left, choose one of 3 ad types: automated ads, choose ad type, or boost content. Next, set your ad goal, such as get more messages, boost content, promote page, or another goal. Now, select automated ads and click Get Started. Follow the account setup steps until you reach the Create New Ad Settings page. Choose your campaign goal, like more calls, more website visitors, more messages, more page likes, or more leads. You can use your existing post for the ad. Then, set your ad description and upload a photo or media. Continue by configuring Advantage Creative and selecting a special ad category. Set your target audience, define gender, age range, location, and detailed targeting. After that, adjust your schedule, ad duration, and daily budget. Then you can add a payment method like credit card, debit card, PayPal, or online banking. Then you can click See All Previews to review your ad setup before launching.